right now. So is Joey Chestnut. They're eating cheek to cheek, jowl to jowl. We've seen this all year, ladies and gentlemen. Pat Bertolletti and Joey Chestnut, neither of them over the age of 23. We believe the children are the future at the IFOCE, much like Whitney Houston. 3.5 minutes gone. 3.5 minutes gone, ladies and gentlemen. That means we have 6.5 minutes left. Joey Chestnut. We're starting to pick up the pace. Look at Joey Chestnut, ladies and gentlemen. Joey Chestnut has grown his hair for some aerodynamic advantage, I think. Pat Bertolletti has been utilizing the aerodynamic advantage with his mohawk for many competitions. We're almost halfway through. I want to hear you all the way in the back. Let's cheer them on, ladies and gentlemen. Pat Bertolletti in an orthodox, pugilistic stance, ladies and gentlemen. He is bouncing. He's bouncing next to catch a belch, as we say in the world of competitive eating. If he can catch a belch, release the unwanted air so the wanted food, the delicious gyros, can come down into his stomach. It seems that the great winds that have guided Odysseus through the Aegean has pushed the rain off, and the competitive eating gods are smiling down upon us. We're halfway through, ladies and gentlemen. Halfway through the competition. Excited, jubilant man over here. He knows that the company's halfway over. He's got 2.5 down. Very impressive. This is not easy, folks. Believe me. I hate onions. Not an onion fan over here. But you gotta take the Gyro as it comes. It looks like we might have some synaptic misfire possible. No. He's holding it down. He thought he might have a hair trigger epiglottis. But he can hold it, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the shaking of his pose as he gazes off into the distance. Rub that belly. Keep it going. We got 4 minutes left, folks. Are you hearing the whistle? I want you to cheer like there's no tomorrow. Rumble, Bob, shout. Looks like he's on the spiritual six. Possibly not. He's on his 7th. He's on his 7th, ladies and gentlemen. Joey Chestnut working on number. It looks like 8.5 right now. 8.5. Pat Bertolletti's ahead. Pat Bertolletti's ahead by a half a hero. Joey Chestnut keeping it down. Look at those cheeks. It's like Dizzy Gillespie mid-solo, ladies and gentlemen. That is called chipmunking. Chipmunking. The eaters store the food in the side of their jowls, much like a chipmunk. It looks like this man right over here. He's not chipmunking. He's turbulent. He's turbulent, ladies and gentlemen. It's never been a term I've been totally comfortable with, turbulent. Trying to make you wiggle a little bit.
That was good.
Oh, we have 3 minutes left. I got 3 minutes left. It's like the 18th mile in the marathon. The eaters begin to hit the wall. They get the meat sweats, ladies and gentlemen. That's right.
He's gonna lose today, man. He's going down. Yeah, there's no water.
Humble love show, a statuesque picture of focus. This is a man who looked at his bowl of Cheerios and he saw the Olympic race. He looked at the rematch and he saw the Swiss out. We're at the 2-minute warning. The 2-minute warning, ladies and gentlemen. There's no mandatory timeouts. No. That just means there's 2 minutes.
And the other guy's a machine. They're both.
Joey Chestnut